Hi guys, welcome to the new video of BD Ed Biology. So today we're going to talk about PCR. PCR is a very great technique for amplification of DNA in your lab. So many people find PCR is a little bit confusing. Therefore, I'm trying to make it easier for you so you understand um, the PCR. Let's go ahead and get started. So in order to do PCR, we follow three steps. So these three steps are denaturation, one, denaturation, two, annealing, and three, extinction. So we all know that the DNA is double helix. So we have double-stranded DNA. So what do we do if we have just only one piece of DNA and we want to make a lot of copy out of this DNA, exactly same copy of this? How do we do it? We go through these three steps. And first step, we do denaturation. So in denaturation step, we heat up this DNA. We heat it up up to 95 to 98 degrees Celsius temperature. So we break this double strand and make two of the single strands DNA. So you know DNA is antiparallel and it has 5' to 3' direction and 3' to 5' direction. So you have two copies. Now you need to design a primer. So the primer would be like 10 to 15 nucleotide sequence. So it will always have a 5' to 3' and 3' to 5'. So if your primer is from 5' to 3', this is called forward primer. And if it's from 3' to 5', this is the reverse primer. So now you anneal the primer into your DNA. So if your primer is from 5' to 3', it's gonna anneal here. So you have a 5' here to 3' here, and you have the reverse primer will bind over here. So 5' to 3'. So now you have extinction step. You do this annealing step in nearly 52 to 55 degrees Celsius because you wanna cool down your system so the primer can actually bind to your DNA, and then you raise the temperature again so it binds and it does not fall off, and you go up to like 60 to 62 degrees Celsius temperature and you add your DNA polymerase. So what happens to that is when you have primer added to your DNA and DNA polymerase comes here and recognizes this primer, and you add DNTPs, it's like deoxy nucleotide triphosphates. So your polymerase is going to recognize this sequence and keep adding all the nucleotides to 5' to 3' direction to both strands. So after the first round, you have two copies of the DNA from one copy. And you go through these three steps again and again up to 32 to 35 cycles, and you have millions of copies of this DNA. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and comment below. Thank you.